Hi guys, welcome to Hot Celebrity Leads, a channel where South African celebrity news is served hot and fresh. I know a guy posted an ad on Twitter saying, looking for a stay-in helper for my 8-year-old daughter. Please, any recommendations? Salary 2,500, age 33 to 45 years old. Anele retweeted that and shared her disappointment. She said, "Hi Andazi, who is this 33-year-old that must earn 2,500 a month? We have to come to terms with the fact that we can't afford a full-time nanny. This is evil." The Twitter streets was not having it. This one said, "Evil? What if this person earns 10,000 a month and needs someone to stay with their kids so she can continue working? We earn different salary amounts." There are many people getting paid those amounts because unfortunately there's no better paying job. Our situations are different. If you earn 50,000 rands a month, by all means pay your nanny handsomely and don't judge those who can afford. While some agree with Anele, some are disgusted by the insensitivity that comes with judging those that cannot afford to pay more than 2,500. Well, with me, I have to agree with both parties, as long as you understand that her work has to be equivalent to her pay. Because most stay in they work Sunday to Sunday. Anyway, guys, do comment your thoughts down below. Do you think that Anele is talking from a place of privilege or people are being exploited? Do comment your thoughts down below and don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and like this video.